Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can slowly turn a video black and white on CapCut PC. It is super simple. You can use the effects button here and go to video effects and go to basic, and you can definitely use the two black and white here and like make the speed slower. Wait, it's to the left then. But it's like really quick still. For instance, you want to turn the video black and white at this like mark. So you are going to use keyframes instead. So go to adjustments here. And you are going to add a keyframe on adjustments. Then you are going to slowly turn the video black and white. So here, I'm going to start turning the saturation down, and then here to maybe like 50%, oh wait, to like 30, sorry. And then at the end you're going to go to 50, and this will slowly turn your video black and white slower than the effect itself. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!